Now, students, listen here. Now, suppose if I happen to move from here, I've given you y is equal to sine x, students. Is that clear? And I asked you to differentiate y with respect to x. That means, students, y is my function, x is my variable, students. Y function है, x variable है, y depends on x. Agreed? Now to make it understand about chain rule, because from here I'm just going to speak about chain rule, students. Everybody listen carefully. What exactly is happening in chain rule, students? In chain rule in derivatives. See, when you have something to be connected, there are ways in which you can connect one with respect to other. Or if I want to have a variation between one with respect to another, when simply we can consider is with respect to the variables and the functions. As if you must have learned it in your lower standards with respect to the chapter variation itself only. Agar maine bola y is proportional to x, that means any change in the value of x, students, will certainly bring a change in the value of y. Agreed?
Yes.
अगर मैंने बोला y proportional to x, any change in the value of x will certainly bring a change in the value of y. इसका मतलब अगर मैंने x की value बढ़ाते रही, if I go on increasing the value of x, certainly the value of y also will increase. So the ratio of these two will remain constant throughout, we consider. ये कौन सा variation हुआ? ये है direct variation, students. ये direct variation हुआ. If I say y inversely proportional to x, that means again now over here also is what? Y is dependent on to x. यहाँ पे भी y depends on to x. Please everybody listen carefully. I'm just trying to build up the concept of chain rule. And in chain rule, you have to simply use a mathematical relation. Is that clear? And then we'll go for the method of substitution also. अगर मैंने बोला y is inversely proportional to x means what exactly it means? अगर मैंने value of x बढ़ाया, तो हुआ क्या? The value of y will certainly decrease correspondingly. लेकिन यहाँ पे क्या होगा? The product is kept constant. The product is kept constant. Now, when I say I want to differentiate y with respect to x, yani now my x is with respect to sine x and not simply x. Yani any change in the value of x, the answer to our students, any change in the value of x will correspondingly bring a change in the value of sine x. वही हिसाब से तुम्हारा y भी change होगा. Take a simple example. Please take a simple example. Now, suppose अगर मैंने x की value 30 degrees ली, let me go for 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, and 90 degree. Known value हम लेते हैं. Please try to understand this. Yes, sir, known value है. 0, 30, 45, 60, 90. तो मुझे बताओ students, what exactly the value of sin x? तो तुम बोलोगे sin x का मतलब sin of 0 हो जाएगा. Sin of 30 आएगा. This will be sin of 45. This will be sin of 60. This will be sin of 90. Now, if I ask you, is y equal to sin x? Yes. So what's the value of y? What's the value of y? Now, does the value of y change? हाँ. The value of y changing. किसके ऊपर depend होता है? X के ऊपर depend हो रहा है. The time when I put x is equal to 0, so sin of 0. Can you tell me, students, what is the value of sin of 0? Can you tell me, students, what is the value of sin of 0? Yes, Shreya. Students, is the audio and video fine with all of you all?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Sin of 0 will be 0. What is sin of 30?
0.
Who said 0?
Sorry.
Good morning, Ishita. How come you are answering?
I just heard 30 actually.
Okay, that sin of 30 is half. Sin of 45? 1 by root 2. Absolutely correct. Sure. Sin of 60? Very good. Root 3 by x.
Under root 3 by 2.
Yes. And sine of 90.
1.
1.
अभी देखो स्टूडेंट्स, मेरा ये जो वैल्यू है ना y डिपेंड्स ऑन टू x, और मैंने डिफरेंशिएट भी किया है y विद रिस्पेक्ट टू x, तो आई कैन गेट माय आंसर अकॉर्डिंगली. अगर मैंने डिफरेंशिएट किया है y और विद रिस्पेक्ट टू x, so differentiating sin x by dx will be cos x. So that becomes my answer when I differentiate y with respect to x. Now what happens in chain rule? Please everybody listen carefully. What happens in chain rule in derivatives we consider is, यहाँ पे x, please everybody listen carefully now. ये जो x है students, can you tell me what is this x actually is? What is x? No, but it's a variable, but with respect to sin x, what exactly x represents? You will say, sir, x represents angle. Agreed? Aligned angles
Yes.
become, it can be from 0 to 90, it can be obtuse, it can be acute, it can be perpendicular 90 also. So ये क्या है? ये angle है students. This is the angle we consider. Now मुझे ये बताओ students, मुझे बताओ क्या change in angle, everybody be with me for some time please. क्या change in angle also depends on to change in time? Change in angle also depends with respect to change in time. So instantly, what exactly your answer will be? Yes or no? Then what do you think? कैसे कैसे सोचोगे तुम? तो instantly तुम्हें देखना है कि चलो fine, सर ने बोला change in angle can it depend on the change in time? यानी यानी let us say कि ये मेरा origin है. Listen carefully students. Now suppose if I say a person is standing at point O, another person is standing at point A. In time t, suppose if the path is circular, the person is going along a circular path. Please everybody listen carefully. The person is going along a circular path. In time t1, suppose if the person reaches at a1. Can you tell me students, does the angle also changes? And this
Yes.
angle is called the central angle theta1 in time t1. Can I call this as theta1 in time t1? Hi Anna.
Yes. Sir.
Now suppose if this particular person from A only, everybody is careful, from A only, अगर ये बंदा यहाँ पे आता है, okay, at position A2. Now can you tell me students, what about the change in position in time T2? Theta 2. Getting students? क्या ये समझ में आ रहा है students?
Yes. Sir.
Now suppose if I say that the person starts from A and it comes back at this position. Let us say A3. The corresponding angle is theta 3 for time T3. Agreed?
Yes.
Now if I say y is equal to sine x, y is equal to sine x, and in the first case we said that we differentiated y with respect to x. Everybody concentrate over here. Y with respect to x. But now, can you tell me there is one more factor over here which can change the angle? There is one more factor which changes the angle.
Time.
Yes, that is time. So now can I say, if I say that my angle, dance sunna, my angle depends with respect to time. My angle we consider is with respect to the position. I can consider that. So now can I say y can be differentiated with respect to t? If I say
Yes.
differentiate y with respect to x, can I differentiate y also with respect to t? क्या ये clear हुआ students?
Yes.
अगर मैं differentiate करूंगा t से, तो indirectly can I say I'm differentiating x? Because your x has a relation with t. That means your theta has a relation with t. क्या ये connect हुआ सबको?
Yes. Sir.
It's only one student is saying yes. What about the rest of the students? Okay. I repeat, instead of x, I remove this x. So I'll remove this x. I'll try to consider instead of x, मैं angle theta यहाँ पे replace करता हूँ बस angle है. So now my differentiation of y will be with respect to not x, with respect to theta. तो ये with respect to theta, ये भी theta हो जाएगा, तो ये cos theta हो जाएगा. Now I'll put theta बस. मुझे ये बताओ स्टूडेंट्स, अगर y डिफरेंशिएट होता है with respect to theta, और देखो ना थीटा किसके ऊपर डिपेंड हो रहा है. अरे जैसे जैसे तुम सरकमफरेंस की तरफ जाओगे और जैसे जैसे तुम्हारा टाइम बढ़ता रहेगा, कैन आई से योर पोजीशन आल्सो गोस चेंजिंग, सो योर सेंट्रल एंगल आल्सो विल गो ऑन चेंजिंग. Agreed?
Yes, sir.
So now if somebody asks you, students, differentiate y with respect to time, then how do you go about? Then how do you go about? How do you go about? Students, how do you go about? Then we first differentiate y with respect to t. Students, are you getting it? That's what I need to consider. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
And then what means if I want to differentiate with respect to t, लेकिन दिया है मुझे theta, तो इसको मैं चेन रूल में कैसे कन्वर्ट करूं? अभी तो यही चीज को मैं चेन रूल में कैसे कन्वर्ट करूं? How do I convert in chain rule in that case? I want differentiating dy by dt. So what I'll do? तो तुम बोलोगे सर multiply numerator by d theta, denominator by d theta. यानी हुआ क्या स्टूडेंट, ध्यान से सुनना. इसी को अगर मैं लिंक करूं, इसी का अगर मैं चेन बनाऊं, तो चेन कैसे बनता है? मुझे क्या चाहिए था? What exactly I'll consider in this case? My answer was I wanted in terms of dt. It? तो मैं पहले क्या करूंगा? I differentiate y with respect to d theta, और फिर मैं थीटा को डिफरेंशिएट करूंगा विद रिस्पेक्ट टू टाइम t. आया तुम्हारा ये चेन बन गया, ये देखो चेन बन गया, dy d theta dt. ये चेंज एक पाथ बन गया स्टूडेंट्स. इट्स लाइक दिस, dy by d theta, फिर d theta को तुम dt ले लोगे, तो एक टाइप का चेन हुआ. ये कैसा है चेन? पूछा था मुझे ये, देखो ना ध्यान से स्टूडेंट्स, मेरा क्वेश्चन क्या था? डिफरेंशिएट y with respect to time. Agreed? It was differentiating y with respect to time. Means if y was with respect to time, then my answer should have been in terms of dy by dt. But what exactly chain rule we have done it? In chain rule, we have started connecting my terms. So initially when y was simply, when y was simply dependent with theta. Y was simply dependent on theta. Now what did I do? I made y dependent on theta, but finally theta also depends with time. तो मेरा चेन क्या हुआ? dy by d theta into d theta by dt. This is called chain rule in derivatives. यानी स्टूडेंट्स चेन रूल क्या है? अपने कंफर्ट के हिसाब से तुम चेंज कर सकते हो. क्यों? Because not necessarily that the function depends only on to one variable. अभी देखो ना, function depends on to theta. एक तो directly change in position will give a change in y. लेकिन क्या theta भी तो depend हो रहा है ना किसी पे? theta किसके ऊपर depend हो रहा है? टाइम के हिसाब से depend हो रहा है. तो अगर मैं टाइम को चेंज करूं, ध्यान से सुनना, कनेक्टिंग कैसे हो रहा है? अगर मैं टाइम को चेंज करूं, थीटा चेंज होगा, थीटा चेंज होगा तो वाई चेंज होगा. क्या ये क्लियर हुआ? सो सेम थिंग, अगर मैं टाइम को चेंज करूं, थीटा चेंज होगा, थीटा को चेंज करो तो y, यानी y becomes a function, x, theta becomes a variable for these two. Now theta becomes a function, time becomes a variable. So can I say they have to be interconnected? That interconnection between these variables we consider as simply in terms of chain rule. क्या ये क्लियर हुआ सबको?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
यानी जब भी तुम चेन रूल के बारे में जाते हो ना, तो तुम्हें ये समझना है कि अभी ये बंदा चेन रूल इसलिए यूज कर रहा है कि शायद कोई एक फंक्शन किसी के ऊपर डिपेंड हो रहा है, लेकिन वो जो डिपेंडेंट वेरिएबल वो किसी और के ऊपर भी डिपेंड होता है, किसी और के ऊपर भी डिपेंड होता है. तो we can go for in terms of chain rule easily. So that's what we can use chain rule. So now let me put forward in terms of chain rule. So now my problem, suppose if I give it to you students, if y is equal to translation carefully. मैंने दिया y is equal to sin theta, okay? dy by dx, I want to differentiate y with respect to theta. So dy by dx is differentiating sin theta by d theta. So what is my answer? Cos theta. Agreed? This is my answer, cos theta. So now in this case, y with respect to theta. But now does theta also depends with respect to time? Yes. Now suppose in your examination, I change this. अभी देखो मेरा क्वेश्चन चेंज हो गया. क्वेश्चन क्या मैं बता रहा हूं मैं तुम्हें? क्वेश्चन ये दे रहा हूं स्टूडेंट्स. नाउ आई एम सेइंग इट differentiate y with respect to t. देखो इनिशियली y was with respect to theta. Now y with respect to t. तो कैसे करोगे? ध्यान से सुनना. तो जैसे अगर देखो एक्सप्रेशन मुझे दिया sin थीटा में, मुझे डिफरेंशिएट करना है विद रिस्पेक्ट टू टाइम t. तो इसको कैसे करोगे? तो फर्स्ट विल कंसीडर सर dy by dt. हमें चाहिए तो ये, we want this, but my function is dependent with respect to theta. So what I'll do? I'll multiply numerator by d theta, denominator by d theta. That means what am I trying to do, students? अगर इसी को मैं अगर चेन के हिसाब से लिखो, यानी सबसे पहले मैं क्या करूंगा सर, अगर देखा जाए तो मेरा y तो थीटा से डिफरेंशिएट होना चाहिए. मेरा y तो थीटा से डिफरेंशिएट होना है, यानी मेरा dy by t थीटा तो आएगा ही. लेकिन आपको टाइम के हिसाब से चाहिए, तो देखो ना dy by d थीटा को मैं इस तरफ लिख लेता हूं. तो व्हाट इज माय चेंज? ये d थीटा ऊपर आ जाएगा एंड dt विल बी ओवर हियर. दिस बिकम्स योर चेन. This is how your chain goes. There's a connecting between the two terms. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
हुआ? यानी जब presentation करोगे students, whenever they ask you to use chain rule, simply you can write dy. यानी सबसे पहले तो इसको differentiate करो, और फिर किसके हिसाब से पूछा? टाइम के हिसाब से पूछा, तो by dt कर दो, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. अगर ये नहीं जमता तो multiply numerator and denominator by d थीटा. तुम्हें चाहिए क्या? ये multiply this also, that becomes a chain rule. अब इसको हम solve करते हैं. देखो differentiate y with respect to d theta. Can I say differentiating y, that is sin theta upon d theta multiplied by d theta by dt. Friends, what is differentiating sin theta? Cos theta. Bracket में क्या रहेगा? And this becomes my final answer. That means if my given problem is y is equal to sin theta, everybody listen carefully. If my given problem is y is equal to sin theta, and if I ask you to differentiate y with respect to t, my final answer is cos theta into d theta by dt. लेकिन अगर मैंने y को differentiate किया with respect to only theta, what is my answer? Cos theta. और ब्रैकेट में मैं क्या बोलता था? What should I tell you in that case? 3d theta by d theta, that would have got cancelled. इसलिए हम लोग लिखते नहीं है, क्योंकि मैं वापस इस चीज को डिफरेंशिएट कर रहा हूँ. यानी अभी स्टूडेंट्स क्या करते हैं मालूम है? जो स्टूडेंट्स बहुत ही स्मार्ट और डायरेक्टली करना है, तो इसको कैसे करेंगे? ध्यान से सुनना. अगर मुझे y डिफरेंशिएटिंग विद t करना है, तो अभी देखो डायरेक्ट में कैसा है? डिफरेंशिएटिंग y विद रिस्पेक्ट टू क्या करते हैं मालूम है? लिखते हैं dy by dt. डिफरेंशिएटिंग sin theta, I get it, with respect to dt. See the way, I'm not using all these methods. मैं भी डायरेक्टली कर रहा हूँ. डिफरेंशिएटिंग y with respect to time, so differentiating sin theta by dt. तो इसका आंसर क्या होगा? Cos theta. What is there along with sin theta? It's differentiating with time. So can I put d theta by dt? So now students put this in a direct way. ये सब multiply करने के, so that means we are, अगर किसी ने पूछा what have you done over here, then your answer will be we have used chain rule. इसलिए मैं हमेशा बोलता था कि ये जो थीटा है उसको भी डिफरेंशिएट करोगे. अगर सपोज नीचे थीटा होता तो डी थीटा बाई डी थीटा कैंसिल हो जाता है। समझ में आ रहा है स्टूडेंट्स? ये थीटा भी टाइम के हिसाब से जा रहा है, इसलिए पीछे मैंने लिखा डी थीटा बाई डी टी। नाउ इज दिस आल्सो कनेक्टेड?
Yes.
All the students, it's not only 1 2 3, are all the students clear?
So can you give some more examples?
Coming to it. I'll give you some more. We are going to do these questions, students. Okay. Now, suppose if I happen to give you, for example, listen carefully. Okay. If in case if I give you with respect to y is equal to x square. Okay. Come on, y is equal to x square. Okay. I want to differentiate y is equal to x square. I'm giving it to you, but I want to differentiate two ways. First answer, I want you to differentiate y with respect to x. तो क्या आंसर होगा? Can you tell me that? Differentiate y with respect to x. What will be your answer?
2x.
Of course. So dy by dx
2x.
will be, yeah. So that is equal to x. Dy by dx is equal to x. But now suppose if I tell you y which depends on to x, but now if I say differentiate y with respect to t, that means now what exactly consider? If y can differentiate with respect to x, I get it. And now if I say y is differentiating with respect to t, we consider. Is that clear? So first, can I differentiate y with respect to x? And then differentiate x with respect to t. आ गया तुम्हारा chain? Clear?
Yes.
Ishta, is it clear? Who raised this question? Examples? Ishta, you only?
Me. Yes, sir.
Is this clear? So
Sir,
now when I
multiply
say,
both sides by dt upon dt.
yeah, of course, we can consider in that case. Yani, see, there are ways in which I'm giving you three ways. या तो तुम ये करो, ये करो, या तो you can do it in this way. If you're familiar, you can go directly also, doesn't matter. That's simply chain rule in that. Now see, if I want to go for it, y with respect to time t, so what I'll do, I'll first consider, answers with now, y is equal to x square. Now my question is differentiating y with respect to t. So what do I consider? I suppose if I want to go in this method by multiplying both sides, so dy by dt मुझे चाहिए. Answers with now. Method 1, dy by dt चाहिए मुझे final answer तो ये चाहिए. तो मैं क्या करूंगा? Sir, multiply numerator because my variable is in terms of x. Sir, multiply numerator by dx, denominator by dx. जो यहाँ पे मैंने क्या किया था? Multiply d theta and d theta. That means dy by dx into dx by dt. तो students हुआ ना chain? देखो ना मैंने क्या बोला? What exactly chain I told you? If I want to, yes, absolutely correct, Shreya. If I told you that I want to differentiate y with respect to time, so पहले मैं y को x से differentiate करूंगा. और फिर x को, please pay attention, y is with respect to x and then y with respect to t. So this is something, a position where further we are differentiating with time because ये इसके ऊपर dependent है. Friends, ये इसके ऊपर dependent है. Y is depending on to x depends on t. Y depends on x depends on t. If I say A proportional to B, agreed. And if I say B is proportional to C, A is proportional to C. क्या ये clear हुआ? So we need to create a chain. हमें एक chain create करना है. तो या तुम ऐसे लिखो या तुम directly ये मत बताओ ना. पहले तुम क्या करो? dy by dx लिखो. Multiply by what? dx by dt. ये देखो ये second way आ गया same form. यानी either you can do multiply numerator या तुम put in this way to make a chain. ना अगर मुझे इसका आंसर चाहिए तो कैसे लिखोगे इसका आंसर? सर आंसर तो dy by dx is answer is 2x only. पीछे क्या आएगा? dx by dt. क्या ये क्लियर हुआ स्टूडेंट्स?
Yes.
Is clear?
Yes, sir.
All of you.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Can I erase now? Can I erase this part?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And students, ये जो तुम्हारा है ना, ये quite often use होता रहेगा. See one thing, when exactly students becomes much more better in solving these things we consider, as and when you continue with physics further ahead. जैसे तुम प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करोगे जितने ज्यादा, यानी आगे जाके प्रॉब्लम्स अलग अलग चैप्टर्स में, तो कहाँ ना कहाँ ये इंट्रोड्यूस होता रहेगा. So consistency में it will be a kind of a revision with, and those students, those means, when you actually deal with calculus in your mathematics, जब भी तुम actual derivatives करोगे, actual integration करोगे, ये तो कुछ नहीं है students. What we are doing it in physics is simply a mere point, which is a slightly very low level to consider with respect to your physics point of it, to slightly make your physics stronger. So that when you're solving problems, somewhere or the other, you should not get obstructed, you should not get blocked because of this basic maths part of it. For that reason, it is introduced. Students, मुझे बताओ, ये चीजें और बहुत अच्छी तरह से कभी होती, मुझे बताओ. अगर सपोज तुम्हारा इंटीग्रेशन सही हो जाता, सपोज मैथ्स टीचर ने तुम्हें इंटीग्रेशन अच्छी तरह से पढ़ा दिया, डेरिवेटिव्स अच्छी तरह से पढ़ा दिया, एग्री, ट्रिको पढ़ा दिया होता सही तरीके से, ओके, ग्राफ्स के ऊपर तुमको सही तरीके से, और फिर तुम बेसिक मैथ्स लेके बैठते, तो क्या होता, सब कुछ आता तुम्हें, थिंग्स वुड हैव बीन मच मोर इजी. लेकिन वो सारे चैप्टर्स बाद में होने वाले. When you actually deal with maths, it comes later on in your index over there. लेकिन हम जब भी प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करेंगे तो हमें कहाँ पे यूटिलाइज करना पड़ेगा. राइट नाउ आई एम गिविंग इट इन बेसिक मैथ्स. यही चीजें जो चेन रूल है या मेथड ऑफ इंटीग्रेशन के अंदर विल बी यूजिंग इट इन मोशन इन स्ट्रेट लाइंस. या सेम काइंड ऑफ रूल्स विल बी यूजिंग इट वेयर एग्जैक्टली इन योर लॉस ऑफ मोशन. अगर लॉस ऑफ मोशन में भी सिंपल, अगर तुम्हें इफ आई हैपन टू गो फॉर योर प्रोडक्ट रूल इन डेरिवेटिव्स, तो शायद तुम लोग ने पढ़ा होगा फोर्स इज इक्वल टू मास इनटू एक्सेलरेशन. Yeah, sorry, a force is equal to a rate of change of momentum we consider.
सर हम कल ही पढ़ रहे थे ये.
अच्छा है. इस rate of change of
यस
momentum
सर.
की momentum
सर
is
ने
equal to
बोला
mass into velocity. तुम differentiate करोगे तो तुम्हें UV मेथड आ गया वहां पे. Students, यानी ये कहाँ ना कहाँ कनेक्ट होगा तुम्हारा. तुम्हारा प्रेजेंस ऑफ माइंड कैसा है, दैट इज मोर इम्पोर्टेंट. तुम्हें क्लिक हुआ जब भी सर बता रहे थे, यानी दिस इज मोर इम्पोर्टेंट. गेटिंग इट. व्हेन यू एक्चुअली, अभी देखो इसका फिजिक्स में कहाँ पे एप्लीकेशन हुआ. मैंने u into v का मेथड मैंने बता दिया. हम लोग ने क्या किया था, मुझे बताओ. u into v मैंने जब मेथड बताया, हम लोग ने एक मोनोटोनस, स्टूडेंट्स, हम लोग ने एक मोनोटोनस, सॉरी टू से, एकदम सिंपल गधों की तरह हम लोग ने सिर्फ प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व किए. एग्रीड, क्योंकि हम लोग ने फॉर्मूला किया. लेकिन एक्चुअल उसका एप्लीकेशन फिजिक्स में कैसे वहां पे यूज हो गया. p is equal to m into v, डिफरेंशिएटिंग बोथ द साइड्स विद रिस्पेक्ट टू टाइम. फिर सर ने शायद m को कांस्टेंट रखा होगा, डिफरेंशिएट v को किया रहेगा, फिर v को कांस्टेंट किया रहेगा, डिफरेंशिएट m कांस्टेंट, डिफरेंशिएट m, मास चेंज हो रहा था विद रिस्पेक्ट टू टाइम. ये रॉकेट का प्रोपल्शन के अंदर आएगा तुम्हारा. यानी ये चीजें तुम्हें ध्यान में रखनी है कि हमने जो पढ़ा है वो
तो
एक्चुअली
प्रोडक्ट रूल.
हाँ, दैट्स व्हाट इट्स अ प्रोडक्ट रूल वी कंसीडर, यूवी मेथड. तो ये हम लोग ने मैथ्स में पढ़ा था, लेकिन उसका एक्चुअल प्रैक्टिस कहाँ पे आता है. तो दिस इज मोर इम्पोर्टेंट, वेयर यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड इसको कनेक्ट कैसे करना. Are you getting it? And when exactly these things becomes much more better and better and better as you are consistently going through the formulas. So what, तुम्हारे इसके related problems तुम्हारे सामने आए या ना आए, students, all the students who are into the group, around 40 students, ध्यान से रखना, consistently formulas revise करते. अगर तुम formulas revise करोगे तो things will be better. अगर formulas नहीं revise करोगे, you will forget it very fast. Nobody can help you out for that. फिर वो टीचर डायरेक्टली तुम्हें बता देगा, स्टूडेंट्स आई एम यूजिंग चेन रूल, और वो डायरेक्टली ऐसे ही लिख लेगा, डिफरेंशिएटिंग थीटा विद रिस्पेक्ट टू टाइम, तो dy by dt डिफरेंशिएटिंग दिस cos थीटा dθ by dt करके छोड़ देगा. लेकिन एक्चुअल वे तो तुम ऐसे करो, मल्टीप्लाई न्यूमरेटर, या तुम ऐसे करो. करेंगे, अगर मैं ये करूंगा तो इसका आंसर मेरा क्या हो जाएगा, cos थीटा आएगा into dθ by dt आ जाएगा, हो गया. So there are ways in which you can consider. So हमेशा कंसिस्टेंसी में स्टूडेंट्स फॉर्मूलाज रिवाइज करते रहो. भले प्रॉब्लम्स तुम्हारे सामने आ रहे हैं या नहीं आ रहे हैं, ब्राउज करना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है स्टूडेंट्स. Otherwise, within 5 days, within 7 days, take it from me, you'll be forgetting things. You will not recollect, you will not remember it. Can I erase this part now?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
यानी अगर किसी ने सिंपल टर्म्स में चेन रूल पूछा तो तुम्हें ये बोलना है a function, ध्यान से सुनना, a function dependent onto a variable. Agreed? And if that variable is further associated with another variable, I getting it? It's connected with another variable. Then that becomes the intermediate one becomes the function. Y, ध्यान से सुनना, हमारे तीन वेरिएबल्स है, everybody से carefully. Y, theta, t. तो पहले y was with respect to theta. तो y function था, theta was variable. फिर मैंने बोला theta depends with time. Theta depends on time. So theta becomes my function, time is my variable. तो उसको अभी y को थीटा के हिसाब से लेना, फिर y को t के हिसाब से लेना है, तो मुझे एक चेन क्रिएट करना पड़ेगा. दैट इज व्हाट चेन रूल. एग्री स्टूडेंट्स?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
और ये सारी चीजें तुम्हें तुरंत अपने बुक के अंदर लिख के एक तरीके से जैसे तुमने समझा है, ध्यान से सुना. अब तुम्हारी लैंग्वेज में, भले तुम हिंदी बोलते हो, अगर तो हिंदी में लिखो, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. If you are a Guju, write down in Gujarati. If you are into this, if you want to write down in English, always try to understand. See, why is it so that most of the teachers now started teaching more in Hindi? Since why is it so that the teachers are not speaking that much amount of English in the lectures? That also you try to understand. You know? Because the reason is your Hindi is a common language and many students can understand easily. So it is well said. अगर तुम तुम्हारा कंसेप्शनल वे ऑफ अंडरस्टैंडिंग अपने मदर टंग में करोगे तो उतना ही तुम एक्सप्लोर करोगे अपने आप को और अच्छी तरह से एक्सप्लोर कर सकोगे. लेकिन फाइनली तुम्हारा पेपर तो इंग्लिश मीडियम में होगा, इंग्लिश में लिखना होगा तुम्हें, तो उसके ऊपर भी तो कंट्रोल चाहिए तुम्हें. Okay. Students, formula has to be taken care of, students. Differentiating sign with respect to x, cos को minus sign, tan x will be sec square x, cot x will be minus cosec square x. Hope you remember these things. Sec x will be sec x tan x, students, we consider in that case. Cosec x is equal to minus cosec x cot x. Important ones मैं बताता हूँ students. अगर मैंने पूछा differentiating e raised to x, the answer will be e raised to x itself only. लेकिन अगर मैंने पूछा differentiating a raised to x, differentiating a raised to x by x, we consider. So a raised to x into ln a, ln a, which can be written in terms of logarithmic function, log of k to the base of e. What is differentiating ln x? Can you tell me, students, differentiating ln x क्या होगा?
1 upon x.
1 upon x. ये ध्यान में रखना स्टूडेंट्स. यानी ये सारे टर्म्स है which you have to keep in mind. फिर तुम्हारे रूल्स which you are going to consider in differentiation. अगर constant terms होगा तो constant terms can never be differentiated. That will be answer will be 0. लेकिन constant term के साथ में तुम्हारा variable आता है तो constant को हम बाहर निकाल देते हैं, variable को differentiate करते हैं. तो समझ में आ रहा है क्या बोला मैंने? If y is equal to kx, तो y is my function, k is a constant, x is a variable. तो अगर मैं differentiate करूंगा तो k को मैं बाहर निकालूंगा, differentiate x. Okay. Then I said about u plus or minus v method, sum and difference method. U into v, product rule we consider. U by v, quotient rule I told you very clearly. Quotient rule is much more important. Friends, quotient rule is much more important क्योंकि quotient rule के अंदर बाकी सारे formulas भी आते हैं. यानी स्टूडेंट्स ये ध्यान में रखना, u by v मेथड का होगा ना, y is equal to u by v. Differentiating, students, differentiating y with respect to x. So dy by dx will be differentiating u by v by dx. Chalo, can anybody tell me what is the formula for this?
V du upon dx minus u dv upon dx upon v square
Yeah, so v du by dx
minus u dv by dx upon v square.
denominator square. Why am I telling you this is important, students? The reason is, first of all, the formula has to be remembered. Secondly, what is happening, students, in this formula itself, only when you try to substitute, you will be using your previous all properties. जैसे मैंने बोला था kx वाला k को बाहर निकालना है, सम एंड डिफरेंस भी आ सकता है यहाँ पे प्रोडक्ट रूल भी आ सकता है, यानी इसी में सारे रूल्स आ सकते हैं. This kind of problem can become much more lengthier. We are going to solve. We are going to making this problem. We are going to solve. Okay. Let us go further, students. Okay. Now, right now, students, please pay attention. Page number 38 from a module, students. Page number 38 from the module, section 1. Since I want you to solve question number 1. Then question number 5. Then question number 8. And question number 9. Is this clear, students?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ये अच्छे क्वेश्चंस है स्टूडेंट्स, और हम लोग क्या करेंगे, एक्सरसाइज में से जो अच्छे क्वेश्चंस हैं जहाँ पे मुझे पता है कि तुम आगे जाके अटकोगे, if I give you to solve or somewhere you might get stuck up, okay, we'll be solving that within the classroom, so that you don't worry about it, okay, from the exercise point of view. Okay, so please students, these are all unsolved problems which we are going to do it right now within the classroom. First on to few on to derivatives we consider, okay, and then move further ahead. Hope that you all have the PDF. Hope you have the module also in front of you. If those who don't have it, I'm putting down the problem also. Okay, but the page number is 38, section 1, 1589. First, I wanted to solve question number 1. Gain confidence into it. Are you getting it? 5th, 8th, 9th is slightly on the trickiest. But if you do it very patiently, very calmly, you'll be able to crack it. And mind you, when you're doing it, take some valuable time. Don't be in a haste. You're not running a race. थोड़ा सा 1 मिनट ज्यादा लो, लेकिन फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट में करेक्ट लाके बताओ. Students, what am I going to say? In first attempt, try to get that correct answer. When you start getting correct answer, your confidence will increase. लेकिन अगर तुम घाई करोगे unnecessarily और फिर तुम्हें पता, अरे यार मेरा silly mistake की वजह से मेरे गया, that becomes a problem. So that's why I revised all the formulas with you. I told you all the properties also of it. I told you chain rule also into it. Okay, now I want you to get the answer for it. The first question I'm putting it for those students who don't have the book or the model or the PDF in that case. The question is, students, y is equal to, students, it's x square minus 3x plus 3 bracket close x square plus 2x minus 1. The question is, I want you to differentiate y. Differentiate y with respect to WRT का मतलब with respect to x. Try to solve this. First who gets one, the first problem, one who gets it, please raise your hand so that we can discuss it. Students, is the question clear to all of you all?
Yes, sir.
Students, question is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And please, all of you will try it out. Doesn't matter if you're wrong. Mihir has done it. Anybody else? Just one person. Okay, students. Let us discuss the first one. Okay. Yes, Mihir. Can you tell me how to go about?
Yes, sir.
Well,
First, dy by dx equal to
hmm
d. Then we will write the equation x square minus 3x plus 3 into x square plus 2x minus 1 by dx.
Okay. Now,
Then we will use product rule.
okay, absolutely correct, students. See, he judged it very properly. It's product rule because this will be entirely one term, students, and this is entirely another term. Students, there are two ways of doing it. तुम ये तीन terms को ये तीन terms से multiply कर सकते थे. Everybody, please hold yourself, listen carefully. ये तीन terms अगर मैं multiply करते तो total number of terms कितने आते थे? Can you tell me? Suppose if I would have taken x square multiplied by the bracket minus 3x and then 3, how many terms I would have got it?
9 or 10.
9 terms. That would have been much more lengthy. और फिर पूरा सब प्लस और माइनस में होता, सारे प्लस और माइनस में आते कि नहीं, बीच में प्लस साइन माइनस साइन आता, यानी वो कौन सा मेथड हो जाता, u प्लस और माइनस v. वो भी इजी है लेकिन वो बहुत लेंथी हो जाता, सबको करना पड़ता ना. ये तुम्हारा प्रोडक्ट रूल हो गया. दिस इज मोर फास्टर इन दैट केस. तो इसको उसने क्या ले लिया ना, सपोज अगर मैं इसको u ले लेता हूँ स्टूडेंट्स और इसको मैं ले लेता हूँ वो v. कैन यू टेल मी व्हाट्स द फार्मूला फॉर प्रोडक्ट रूल?
U
हम्म
we take u constant and differentiate v by x. and then we take the constant and differentiate u by x.
What is the sign used in between them?
Plus.
Very good. So now what's the formula? Keeping u constant, students. Differentiate v. Plus keeping v constant. Differentiate u. क्या ये clear हुआ students everybody?
Yes.
Students, is the audio and video fine with you all? Are you able to see the screen properly?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Yes, sir.
Now अभी इसका आंसर दो मेहर. क्या करोगे अभी इसके
So
बाद में?
then we'll use sum and difference rule.
Okay, so ये होगा x square minus 3x plus 3 तो वैसे ही रखो. Now see, he's using sum and difference method. Means can I say this is actually what, you know, अगर मैं इसको मैं separate solve करूँ, तो can I say this is simply differentiating x square by dx separately plus
Yes.
differentiating 2x by dx separately minus होगा differentiating 1 by dx separately. Students, क्या ये clear हुआ? यानी ये
Yes.
पूरा पार्ट यहाँ पे आ जाएगा students. ये तीनों को तुम सेपरेट कर सकते हो. फिर वैसे यहाँ पे तुम्हारा ये तुम्हारा एक कर्ल ब्रैकेट आ गया पूरा इसका. फिर यहाँ पे ले लो प्लस साइन. ये तुम्हारा होगा एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 2x माइनस 1. अब इसको भी तुम डिफरेंशिएट करोगे स्टूडेंट्स तो क्या होगा? यहाँ पे भी कुछ टर्म्स आएंगे एंड कर्ल ब्रैकेट होगा. लेकिन इसको भी तुम डिफरेंशिएट करोगे तो स्टूडेंट्स क्या होगा तुम्हारा? डिफरेंशिएटिंग ये भी सम एंड डिफरेंस मेथड. सो डिफरेंशिएटिंग x स्क्वायर बाय dx माइनस साइन बाहर आएगा. डिफरेंशिएटिंग 3x by dx plus differentiating 3 by dx. है ना students? And what did I use? U plus or minus v. तो ये तुम यहाँ पे दिखाओ, तीनों स्टेप्स यहाँ पे लिखो तो भी चलेगा. या अगर तुम if you know it directly, you can consider that also. Now let us go for this. Yes, Mihir, can you tell me what is differentiating
Yes.
x?
2x.
2x. dx by dx will get cancelled. तो कहने से इसका आंसर 2x होगा. प्लीज एवरीबॉडी जिसको भी नहीं समझ में आ रहा है, when I finish it again ask. Please, I'm not teaching hardly few students. Please, there are hardly 3 to 4 students who are responding. The rest of them are just sitting mum. बहुत गलत होगा तुम्हारे साथ में अगर तुम ऐसा करोगे तो. नहीं समझ में आया तो पूछो. I get it. And secondly, if your parents are sitting next to you, I will advise your parents kindly open the book. Have they written the formula of these kinds and learned it? Have they written the formulas 5 times, 10 times and learned it? तो ये यहाँ पे सब क्लिक हो जाएगा. अगर तुमने इसको छुआ भी नहीं होगा, देखा भी नहीं होगा, लर्न भी नहीं किया होगा और फिर तुम अभी मेरे साथ में प्रॉब्लम्स करने बैठोगे ना स्टूडेंट्स, each and every problem you will find out to be very tough. You know students, this is the reason why certain students say कि online नहीं जमता है या offline जमता है. Students, according to me, online is the best mode. Direct communication हो रहा है टीचर्स के साथ में. तुम्हारे हाथ में रिमोट कंट्रोल है, म्यूट का अनम्यूट का तुरंत तुम अनम्यूट करो अपने आप को और पूछो. I can't see your face. I know who's the person. क्लासरूम में तो तुम खड़े होके पूछोगे भी तो I know you very well. तो यहाँ पे एडवांटेज उठाओ ना उसका. थोड़ा सा सेल्फिश बनो पढ़ाई के मामले में एंड ट्राई टू गेट इट क्लियर. लेकिन उसके पहले तुम्हें भी मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी. अगर तुम मेहनत किए बगैर तुम प्रॉब्लम्स करने बैठोगे और फिर नहीं आएगा, then that is secondary. So please students, do take care about all these things. Bottom line is students, gain confidence. धीरे धीरे अपना confidence. Now see this Aditya Giri is entering now. पता नहीं why is it so. Okay, differentiating 2x का क्या होगा?
2.
So I'll remove 2 outside. dx by dx cancel हो जाएगा. Differentiating constant 1.
0.
0. So can I put over here 2x plus 2 directly?
Yes.
Okay. यहाँ पे
2x minus 3.
तो यहाँ पे होगा 2x. This will be minus
3.
3 outside, dx by dx will get cancelled.
Yes.
Then further,
0. Constant.
yes. So now can I say I can put over here 2x minus 3 students? Is that clear?
Yes.
Okay, now Meher, what I'll do further?
Sir, we'll open the brackets.
Okay, now when I open the bracket, and now if I multiply, तो ये क्या होगा 2x cube. Okay, this I'm multiplying with entirely. This is 2x cube minus 3 2s are 6x squared plus 6x plus 2x squared minus 6x plus 6. Agreed? ये एक ब्रैकेट में प्लस ये वाला 2x cube plus 4x squared minus 2x minus 3x squared minus 6x minus and minus plus 3. Now can you solve further? What exactly? This is 2x cube.
4x cube.
2x cube. So that becomes how much? 4x cube. Okay. यहाँ पे minus 6x square plus 2x square will be minus 4x square. Minus 4x square plus 4x square will get cancelled. बचा minus 3x square. Then plus 6x minus 6x will get cancelled. Over here, minus 2x minus 6x will be minus 8x.
Minus 8.
Agreed. Now the numerical value plus
Plus
6 plus 3 plus 9. Is that clear, students?
Yeah.
अरे देखो, अगर तुमने पेशेंस रखा स्टूडेंट्स, बहुत शांति से और एकदम पेशेंटली किया, देखो प्रॉब्लम कितना बड़ा है। और ये होता है स्टूडेंट्स, जब भी प्रॉब्लम लेंदी आ जाता है इजी, बहुत इजी है स्टूडेंट्स प्रॉब्लम। अभी मैं एज अ टीचर आई कैन से टू यू कि चीजें, बट आई डोंट नो एज अ स्टूडेंट व्हाट विल फील। लेकिन अगर थोड़ा सा भी स्टूडेंट सेंसिबल है, थोड़ा सा भी वाइज है, सिंसियर है अपने पढ़ाई के लिए, उसको डेफिनेटली इजी लगेगा। सिर्फ तुम्हें कहाँ पे 11th का कंसेप्ट उठाना था, एक तो प्रोडक्ट रूल तुमने समझना था, यानी ये कंसेप्ट आना चाहिए था, फिर इसको डिफरेंशिएट कैसे करते हैं ये पढ़ाना चाहिए था बस। बाकी तो पूरा 7th या 8th स्टैंडर्ड में तुमने पढ़ा हुआ, ये पूरा 7वीं 8वीं का, इसमें कुछ 11वीं या 12वीं का कुछ नहीं है। तो यू शुड ट्राई टू जज योर क्वेश्चन, कहाँ पे तुमने डेरिवेटिव्स का कंसेप्ट यूज किया है, कितना तक किया है, और बाकी मैटर पूरा क्या है। यही होता है फिजिक्स के अंदर स्टूडेंट्स व्हाट डू दे डू इन फिजिक्स प्रॉब्लम्स, बिकॉज़ सी बीइंग अ फिजिक्स टीचर, ये है क्या स्टूडेंट्स, आई एम नॉट टीचिंग यू फिजिक्स। हेलो, ये फिजिक्स नहीं है, ये मैथ्स है। कहाँ पे मैंने फिजिक्स के बारे में, कहाँ पे मैं वेलोसिटी बोला, यहाँ पे एक्सेलरेशन बोला, did I say about force, did I say about momentum? Nothing of that what I'm speaking, I'm just speaking about a particular। तो ये क्या है, ये मैथ्स हुआ, और इसी का तुम फिजिक्स में कहाँ पे यूज करोगे, दैट इज मोर इम्पोर्टेंट। Are you getting it? यानी देखो, अभी तुम्हारा ये चलो ये एक्सप्रेशन लेते हैं ना, चलो स्टूडेंट्स देखो ना, ये ले लेते हैं एक्सप्रेशन। स्टूडेंट्स ये देखो, तुम्हें क्या दिया है, मोमेंटम इज इक्वल टू, ये सोचो कि ये मास दिया है और ये वेलोसिटी दिया है। स्टूडेंट्स देखो ना, m into v दे दिया मैंने, है ना। फिर मैंने बोला डिफरेंशिएट बोथ द साइड्स विद रिस्पेक्ट टू टाइम, तो dy by dx यहाँ पे तुम क्या लिखोगे, dp by dt, है ना। फिर तुमने क्या किया है, ये m को कांस्टेंट रखा, डिफरेंशिएट v, यानी वेलोसिटी इज गिवन, वेलोसिटी इज अ फंक्शन ऑफ प्लेस, ऑफ कोर्स वेलोसिटी कैन बी अ फंक्शन ऑफ प्लेस at different places, what is the velocity you can consider। ये अगर मैं रॉकेट प्रोपल्शन के हिसाब से जाऊँ तो ऑफकोर्स मेरा अलग अलग पोजीशन पे, तो आ गया मेरा डिफरेंशिएटिंग dv by dx, so mass constant differentiating dv by, we consider dx we consider, लेकिन यहाँ पे with respect to time होना चाहिए, तो consider with respect to time। फिर दूसरे केस में क्या किया मैंने v को कांस्टेंट रखा, डिफरेंशिएटिंग मास, हो गया तुम्हारा। एग्रीड, यानी नाउ सी exactly identical questions can be asked, so you should know। समझ में आ रहा है how exactly we connected? क्या ये क्लियर हुआ स्टूडेंट्स?
Yes.
Can I erase it now? Can I erase this entire solution? Okay.
Yes.
Now please try to get your fifth one correct. Okay, first solve the fifth one. Solve fifth, eighth, and ninth, all three. First solve 5th and 8th students. Because students who don't have the model in front of it, students, the question is given to you is Z is given to you. You can put in terms of Z is equal to, okay, x square plus 1 upon 3 into bracket x square minus 1 plus x square minus 1 in bracket 1 minus x. Means I want to differentiate Z with respect to S. So I want dz by dx. So is this a question clear to all of you all? Fifth one.
Yes.
Okay.
Sir, I got the answer.
Oh, very good. Ishita. Okay, shall we discuss, students?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Tell me now, how to go about this? कैसे करोगे तुम?
Sir, so first what I did was use the quotient rule,
Okay.
because in the first part of the question, so I multiplied x square minus 1 to 1 minus x, and I just left it in the corner for the time being, and then I solved x square plus 1 upon 3x square minus 1, and then by like quotient rule I applied the formula and all, and then did all the multiplication. It was a very
Okay.
long multiplication, and then after that I just, yeah, after that when I got the answers to it, I opened like the right side's bracket, and like I solved x square minus x cube minus 1 plus x.
For this, what exactly did for the right hand side? What exactly did this part of it?
I actually like solved them like alag alag se, like I just put like dx square upon dx minus dx cube upon dx.
Means you multiplied both of them and then you did it.
Yeah, kind of. So like after that I got left with the answer of like 2x minus 3x square. So like at that part I got that answer, and then like after solving all of this part I got like 12x minus 12x, so I got them as 0. So
So
I was
answer is
left
0.
with,
What was your answer?
yeah,
Your answer
I said no, my answer is 2x minus 3x square.
2x minus.
3x square.
Is that the answer given behind section
Yeah,
1?
that I saw, and after that I was like, hey, I got the right answer.
Very good. So you felt very happy.
Yes, sir, because I couldn't solve the first one.
No, but the answer given there for the section 1 is minus 4x upon 3 into bracket x square minus 1 the
Is
whole square
equal to,
plus 1 plus 2x minus 3x square. Is that what you got it?
yeah, yes, sir. So.
Okay. Fine. Good. Please, students, see over here. Now, this is your way of approach towards it. How do you go about with it? अभी तुम देखो students, I'll solve this entirely. ये भी बहुत इनको tedious लगेगा. Students, यहाँ पे क्या है? Ratio है और यहाँ पे product है. I can go for quotient rule over here. I can go for product rule over here. U by V method का formula दिया यहाँ पे U into V का method है. Now see, अभी मैं solve करने के time पे what I'll do students, you know, मैं unnecessary 3 को मैं अंदर नहीं डाल रहा हूँ, मैं 3 को बाहर ही निकाल देता हूँ क्योंकि वो एक टाइप का कांस्टेंट है, तुमने 1/3 बाहर निकाल दिया, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, दिक्कत नहीं है स्टूडेंट्स. ये u by v यानी ये पूरा फैक्टर मेरा u आ गया और ये मेरा v आ गया. व्हाट्स द फॉर्मूला वी कंसीडर? v यानी x square minus 1 differentiating u, agreed, with respect to dx, minus keeping u constant, agreed, differentiating v, one by 3 the whole upon what exactly, v square यानी क्या होगा, x square minus 1 the whole square. ये पूरा मैंने ऐसे लिख दिया, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. क्या ये क्लियर हुआ स्टूडेंट्स? तुम भले 3 को अंदर मल्टीप्लाई करो तो भी तुम्हारा आंसर आएगा स्टूडेंट्स, नथिंग टू वरी अबाउट इट. लेकिन तो वापस तुम 3 को अंदर मल्टीप्लाई करोगे तो 3x square minus 3 आएगा, फिर वापस तुम्हें बाहर निकालना पड़ेगा एट द एंड ऑफ इट. आई गेटिंग इट? क्या ये क्लियर हुआ स्टूडेंट्स? u by v मेथड, taking v, differentiating u, minus keeping u constant, differentiating v. Is this clear to all of you? Then I proceed further ahead.
Yes.
Okay. What about you, Zia? Yash? I need to ask now. Zia, Yash, are you getting it?
Yes, sir.
Rajesh, Umair,
Sir.
समझ में आ
Yes,
रहा है?
sir.
सो तो नहीं रहे हो तुम लोग? शुभम, सुजीत?
यस सर, समझ गया
सर समझ रहा है.
Okay, Sakshi, what about your Rishi?
यस सर, अंडरस्टैंड
प्रिशा ने पहले से टेक्स्ट कर दिया, सर आप मुझे मत पूछना, मैंने टेक्स्ट कर दिया. प्रीत, प्रथम, नैन, ओम. प्रीत, प्रथम, come on, Om. What about you all? Preet, what about
Yes,
you?
sir.
Very good.
Sir, I'm getting it a little bit.
Okay, fine. Now see, the next part, if I happen to consider, the second part of this we consider is a product rule. Student, is my voice breaking, students? Student?
No, sir.
Not at all, no? Yes or no? Okay. Because Ayan
sir.
is saying, Ayan is saying it, my voice is. Ayan, it seems the problem is at your end with your network. Okay, the answer is enough, students. Please pay attention now. Now the next part. ये है प्रोडक्ट रूल. हम क्या कहते हैं मालूम है? इसको मैं सेपरेटली सॉल्व करता हूँ. चलो ये प्लस साइन करके मैं इसको छोड़ देता हूँ फॉर द टाइम बिंग. ओके, इसको मैं बाद में करूंगा, पहले इसी को हम सॉल्व करते हैं. ओके, सो नाउ कैन आई से इक्वल टू, ये होगा 1/3 ब्रैकेट क्लोज, कैन आई से दिस इज x square minus 1. व्हाट इज डिफरेंशिएटिंग x square plus 1 u plus v मेथड? तो क्या करोगे, डिफरेंशिएटिंग x square plus डिफरेंशिएटिंग 1. स्टूडेंट्स डिफरेंशिएटिंग 1 क्या हो जाएगा? 0. तो डिफरेंशिएटिंग x square क्या होगा? हाँ स्टूडेंट्स,
2x
2x minus x square plus 1. Differentiating x square minus 1. What is again differentiating x square over here?
2x
2x. And minus 1 will be 0 part of it. The whole upon what we consider? X square minus 1, the whole square. Is this clear, students? Getting it? Now when you go for it, it's 1, it's 2x cube, 2x cube minus 2x. This is negative sign. So minus 2x cube plus into minus 2x divided by 3 into bracket x square minus 1 the whole square. Is this clear to all of you all?
Sir, can you explain the second step?
ये वाला, this one.
Yes, sir.
ये मैंने क्या किया, इसको डिफरेंशिएट किया. देखो ना, चलो मेरा अभी देखो मैंने डायरेक्टली लिखा है. देखो, डिफरेंशिएटिंग x square plus 1 by dx. तो कैन यू टेल मी इसको कैसे लिखोगे? सम मेथड. तो डिफरेंशिएटिंग x square by dx होगा प्लस डिफरेंशिएटिंग 1 by dx. ये फॉर्मूला है हमारा.
Yes, sir. Clear,
इसके
sir.
पहला तो ये क्या हो जाएगा, x स्क्वायर की जगह पे क्या आ गया, देखो ना 2x आ गया, और डिफरेंशिएटिंग 1 तो 0 हो जाएगा, इसलिए मैंने 0 को नहीं लिखा। अभी देखो दूसरे केस के लिए क्या था, x स्क्वायर माइनस 1 है ना, तो सिर्फ ये -1 था, माइनस यहाँ पे डालना है बस, तो ये वापस 0 हो जाएगा, बचेगा क्या आंसर, 2x ही। एग्रीड?
Yes, sir.
ओके, कैरल फॉर्मूलाज रिवाइज नहीं किए कैरल, नॉटी बॉय। हाँ, फॉर्मूलाज लिखे कैरल, हैव यू रिटन फॉर्मूलाज कैरल?
सर आप जब करवाते हैं तो क्वेश्चन इजी लगता है, पर बनाने में कॉम्प्लिकेटेड क्यों लगता है? सर
क्या
आप नहीं आए
बात,
हमारे साथ
इशिता
एग्जाम में, हम कैसे
बहुत
करेंगे?
स्मार्ट है यार, इशिता बहुत स्मार्टली बोल रही है करके है। आप जब बताते हो तभी इजी लगता है, हम करते हैं। तो माय डियर, यही तो कोचिंग का है ना, ये धीरे धीरे तुम्हें तुम्हें कॉन्फिडेंस फील होगा। हम अगर मैं इजी तुम्हें दे दूं, मैं तुम्हें इजी ही दे दूं, तो उसमें मजा क्या, इसमें दैट इज व्हाट अ चैलेंज इज टू ट्राई टू वर्क ऑन दिस। अभी मैंने देखो, मैंने इन चैप्टर के एक्सरसाइज करा है, इन चैप्टर के प्रॉब्लम्स करा है, वो सारे बेसिक्स वाले थे, है ना। जब भी हम अभी एक्सरसाइज में जाएंगे तो हमें ऐसे ही का प्रॉब्लम्स होंगे। एंड माइंड यू, सोचो अगर ऐसा कोई प्रॉब्लम तुम्हें बेसिक मैथ्स के एमसीक्यूज में आ गया, तो क्या तुम इतना डेकोरेशन करोगे? हाँ स्टूडेंट्स,
No, sir.
देन ओवर देयर यू हैव टू गो विद द स्पीड, तो वहां पे तुम्हारे एरर्स तो आने वाले हैं। इसलिए स्टूडेंट्स, मेहनत बहुत लगती है स्टूडेंट्स। जब भी सिखाने वाला, ध्यान से सुना, जब भी अगर सिखाने वाला किसी चैप्टर में 6 घंटे लेता है, या 8 घंटे लेता है, या 15 घंटे लेते हैं उस चैप्टर को कंप्लीट करने के लिए, तो तुम लोग क्या करते हो, यू फिनिश द चैप्टर इन 2 आवर्स। मम्मा को बोलते हो, मम्मा हमारा चैप्टर खत्म हो गया, मैंने पढ़ लिया। If parents are listening, this is what I want to give, tell the parents, the kids are doing like that. जब भी सिखाने वाला 6 घंटा लेता है, 8 घंटा लेता है किसी चीज को सिखाने के लिए, और बच्चा 2 घंटे के अंदर पूरा चैप्टर कंप्लीट कर देता है, तो how is it possible? How is it justified? Degree students, you have to sit and work on to it. If unless and until you don't sit, nothing is going to happen. Okay, अभी हम राइट हैंड साइड वाले लेते हैं। Okay, वो ये वाले टर्म्स अगर मैं ले लेता हूँ, so now let us go for this. For the time being, I'm keeping this within the bracket only. इसको मैं bracket में लिखता हूँ मैं यहाँ पे, मैं इसका लेता हूँ ना, सी when I go for u into v method students, तो क्या होगा, u differentiating v, agree, plus v differentiating u, and what exactly differentiating u we consider is this clear students? Students, is this clear to all of you all? Can you see it properly,
Yes.
students? Okay, following it plus bracket close. This is x square minus 1 only. Students, can you tell me what is differentiating 1 minus x? Abhi now again, Carol, are you there?
Yes, sir. There.
चलो बोलो इसका आंसर बोलो, डिफरेंशिएटिंग 1 माइनस x कैसे करोगे? सेपरेट करो ना, तुम बोलो ना सर डिफरेंशिएट पहले 1 करो, बोल ना सर आपको इतना
Differentiate 1 upon dx, then differentiate dx upon dx.
वेरी गुड, शी सच एन इंटेलिजेंट बॉय। यू आर माइनस डिफरेंशिएटिंग dx by dx, तो मुझे बताओ क्या होगा, ये तो 0 हो जाएगा, ये कैंसिल हो गया, क्या
Cancel out.
तो क्या होगा आंसर? हाँ, -1 आएगा कि नहीं आएगा?
Yes, sir.
So can I say I'm going to put forward over here -1, agreed, plus 1 minus x. Now can you solve this directly without this? So directly differentiating x squared plus 1. L.
Plus 1, sir.
हाँ, डिफरेंशिएटिंग, अब देखो मुझे करना पड़ेगा, डिफरेंशिएटिंग x square plus 1 by dx. तो क्या करोगे, डिफरेंशिएटिंग पहले तो x square करोगे ना,
Yes, sir. Yeah.
and then plus differentiating 1. What is differentiating x square?
2x.
See, when I asked you to do it directly, you gave an incorrect answer. Carol, answer sunna bhi. Please, everybody learn from here. Carol knows how to solve it. लेकिन वो थोड़ा सा डायरेक्ट अप्रोच चला गया तो गलत हो गया, लेकिन वो स्टेप वाइज जा रहा है तो सही जा रहा है। उसका मतलब कैरल नोज, ऐसा नहीं कि कैरल डजंट नो, इट्स ओनली दैट ही नीड्स टू सॉल्व दीज क्वेश्चंस क्वाइट ऑफन। प्रैक्टिस, लिखने की प्रैक्टिस ज्यादा चाहिए और मोर ऑफन ही हैज टू सॉल्व इट, तो सही हो जाता है। यानी यू शुड जज योर फ्लॉज, कहाँ पे तुम गलत जा रहे हो स्टूडेंट्स, सो दैट इज मोर इम्पोर्टेंट। Okay, so now when I solve over here, the answer will be 2x. इसका क्या होगा? Differentiating one will be what?
Yes, 0.
0. So can I say now I'll put this as 2x only. Now solving it further, plus into bracket, can I solve this? This will be how much? So this is minus x square plus 1. This will be plus 2x minus 2x square. Is that clear?
Yeah.
Now what is the final answer? Do we have any cancellation on the left hand side, students?
Yes, 2x cube will be cancelled.
2x will be cancelled. Agreed. So now if in case if I happen to go for 2x cube will get cancelled. So when I'm cancelling 2x cube, okay, so what exactly my answer will be? That will be equal to minus 4x upon 3 into bracket x square minus 1 into x square. Agreed? Plus, if I happen to look over here, what exactly it will be? Plus 1 plus 2x, and this will be how much? Minus 2x square minus x square will be how much? Minus 3x square. So plus 1 plus 2x minus 3x square. Is that the answer given in your module at the end of it? Agreed, students?
Yes.
Ishita, are you getting it? Ishita, did you get this answer?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. क्या मैं इसको erase कर दूं students अभी? 9th one is done. Students, can I erase this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes, anybody can give me the answer for the 9th one. I'll put on the question.
Sir, we have to do 8 and
Which one? Oh, sorry, 8. Very sorry, 8th one. 8th one. 8th one speaks about y is equal to x square minus x plus 1 upon a cube minus 3.
sir,
That's a good question. That's a good question.
sir,
And question, students, the question is, the answer is enough. Differentiate y with respect to x. Yeah, ये ध्यान में रखना.
sir.
Yes. बोलो.
Sir, I don't. Yes. Sir, they have given A, B, C.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Mihir is answering. Anybody else who wants to answer? Wait a minute.
Sir, I
wait a
have
minute.
a doubt.
Acha, you have a doubt, Mihir?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, बोलो बोलो.
They have given A, B, C are to be treated as constant. So while we take a derivative of
तो आंसर बोल रहा है. मैं तो आंसर बोल रहा है. यही तो ये प्रॉब्लम का क्रीम था.
okay.
यही तो अच्छा पार्ट था प्रॉब्लम का. तू सबको बता रहा है कैसे सॉल्व करना है. नॉटी बॉय मिहिर. हमें गेटिंग इट, यही तो था ना प्रॉब्लम के अंदर, यही तो मैं, इसलिए मैंने जानबूझ के लिखा डिफरेंशिएट y with respect to x. Now students, with such kind of questions are given to you, Mir, chalo, now you speak it out what exactly you were saying it. Chalo, let us discuss this also. क्या बोल रहे थे?
If we are given differentiating a cube by x, so if a is a constant, it will become 0.
Of course. See students, your expression is y and x के ऊपर है तुम्हारा. Students, y is a function, x is a variable. तुम्हें y को differentiate करना है with respect to x. Students, यानी भले ही denominator में लिखा है a cube minus 3. Students, ये constant ही है. तो जब भी तुम differentiate करोगे ना students, dy by dx, students, so what exactly I'll consider will be, can I remove this 1 upon a cube minus 3 outside and simply differentiate x square minus x plus 1 by dx? क्या ये क्लियर हुआ सबको अभी? Students, is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now solve. क्योंकि students ध्यान से सुनना. Now suppose if somebody says, sir, can I use u by v method? Hello, can I use u by v method? मुझे बताओ, can I use u by v method over here? You can't. Why? Reason is what? Reason में क्या
b
है?
is not a variable.
Yes. Who said that? Mihir, you only said it? Yes. Students, ये देखो, जब तुम ऐसे समझोगे ना तो तुम सारे प्रॉब्लम्स क्रैक करोगे, because your denominator is not a variable. स्टूडेंट्स, अगर मैं यहाँ पे देखो, यहाँ पे मैं v को मैं लिख दूं, चलो कोई, लेकिन यहाँ पे तुम्हारा डिफरेंशिएटिंग b है, स्टूडेंट्स, लेकिन ये वेरिएबल है ही नहीं ना. कोई स्टूडेंट बोलेगा सर डिफरेंशियल अगर ये है, ये तो कांस्टेंट आ गया, आंसर 0 आ जाएगा, ये पूरा मैटर 0 बन गया तुम्हारा. आई गेटिंग इट? और देखो, अगर तुमने यहाँ पे v ले लिया, नीचे v स्क्वायर है, तो कैंसिल होकर ये आ गया. तो अगर तुम यूज करोगे तो तुम्हें आंसर मिलेगा, ऐसे नहीं कि आंसर नहीं मिलेगा. लेकिन व्हाई टू क्रिएट कंफ्यूजन इन दैट केस? अभी देखो, हम now two students will try to do both the methods, will try to go for it. Okay, let us go for this method first. Okay, and then I'll go for u by v method. You will get the answer. In this case. अब यहाँ पे देखो, is equal to 1 upon a cube minus 3. Students, can I differentiate this? What is the answer of differentiating x square? Okay, so differentiating, let me put in this manner, x square by dx. Okay, minus differentiating dx
Minus
plus
dx
differentiating
upon
1.
dx
Yes.
plus
So what's the answer?
upon dx.
Yes. So 1 upon a cube minus 3.
1
This will
upon
be
a
2x.
cube minus 3.
ये क्या होगा?
2x
-1
minus 1.
plus
That is
0.
0.
What's your answer for this?
2x minus 1 upon a cube minus 3.
A cube minus 3. Now let us go for u by v method. I get it? अभी देखो, तुम अगर इसको करोगे तो ये पूरा constant 0 आ जाएगा. You will get the answer. I get it? But why unnecessary? This is simply, this is more faster to solve it examination के अंदर. Yes, Mihir, you want to say something?
No, sir, I completed. So
Okay, fine. Now let me go for u by v method in this case. अगर suppose मैं u by v method आता हूँ, तो इसको मैं अगर assume करता हूँ u, इसको मैं assume करता हूँ v, तो v क्या है? a cube minus 3. Can you tell me differentiating this? तो ये आएगा, 2x minus 1 ही आएगा. Agreed? Plus, sorry, minus u. What is differentiating this? 0, क्योंकि पूरा constant है. Agreed? The whole upon what exactly? V square. Friends, ये तो 0 हो जाएगा, बचा क्या? ये इससे cancel हो गया. Is this answer and this answer same after cancellation?
yes.
Great.
Yes.
So it's an OR method again, but it's to make it more faster, just simply go for this, and this can be do it by mental maths also. You can get your answer. Okay, can I erase students this one?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, students. Ninth one. Y is equal to 1 minus x cube upon root of pi. Come on, how many of you all know this? I want maximum students to raise hands for it, please. Yes, Shreya, you got it correct by U by V method, absolutely correct. Doesn't matter. Mihir knows it. Dhruv also knows it. Come on, anybody else? Come on, Carol, what about you? Ishita, what about you? Shreya. Shreya's got the answer. Yes, Shreya, can you answer?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Mihir,
Sir,
Shreya, Ishita. Yes, Shreya, can you answer? Bolo.
yes, sir. Just like the previous question, dx upon dy is equal to 1 upon root pi into, in bracket, differentiating 1 by d of x minus differentiating x cube upon d of x.
Absolutely correct. And what is differentiating one will be?
0.
And differentiating x cube will be?
3x square.
Absolutely correct. So your final answer will be minus 3x square upon root pi.
Yes, sir.
See, she got it so fast. यानी अगर मैं u by v मेथड लूंगा तो होगा, लेकिन इसको कांस्टेंट निकाल दो ना, बारी है ना. Students, what I'll do, 1 upon root pi, simply differentiate 1 minus x cube by dx. That will be equal to 1 upon root pi. Now see, differentiating 1 minus, तो अगर मैं पूरा सॉल्व करता हूँ तो what will be differentiating 1 by dx, minus n बार आ जाएगा, differentiating x cube by dx, so that will be equal to 1 upon root pi. Differentiating 1 will be 0 minus, what is differentiating x cube, students?
3x square.
Differentiating, yes, differentiating x cube is 3x square. What's the formula? What's the formula?
Nx raised to n minus 1.
Very good. Y is equal to nx into n raised to x raised to n minus 1 we consider. So we'll consider 3 into x raised to 3 minus 1. So what's my final answer will be, students? It's minus 3x square upon root pi. Agreed?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Can I erase this now?
Yes, sir.
Now see, students, I solved the problem. I did the question. I solved it. Okay, and when I told, can I erase it? Those students who have done it will say, yes, sir. But when the parents who are there right now at home, if in case, if they check the books of the kids right now also, because then you'll find out many students, the problems will be incomplete. And when such parents ask their kids, beta incomplete क्यों है? So what they'll say, वो टीचर ने erase कर दिया तुरंत, मम्मा हमें लिखने का टाइम ही नहीं मिलता है. This is what the problem is. Then what they'll do, they'll set extra in order to go for the recorded lectures. Why, students? See one thing, जिसको आता होगा वो तो तुरंत बोल देगा कि yes sir, finish it off fast, erase it. They want to solve more problems. If I were in your class, I would have said it, sir, go ahead further. Please students, be smart, be selfish also. Simultaneously अगर तुम समझो तो लिखो भी. ये ध्यान में रखो. तुम्हें समझ में आता है, नहीं लिखना है, that's your wish. तुम्हें लिखना है, नहीं लिखना है, that is your wish. लेकिन लिखोगे तो बहुत अच्छा होगा तुम्हारे लिए. And I'm not going to send any notes. That's why I don't send notes. Deliberately, I'm not sending notes. Sending notes is making your handicap. I feel it in that way. तुम handicap हो जाते हो. तुम notes के भरोसे बैठ जाते हो. फिर lectures कैसे लेते हो मालूम है students? I've seen students taking lectures. लेटे लेटे लेते हैं, बेड के अंदर, कॉट के अंदर लेते हैं. कोई अपने स्टडी टेबल के ऊपर पाँव सामने रखेगा और चेयर के ऊपर बैठेगा और हाथ पीछे लेते हुए आराम से बैठा हुआ सुन रहा है. ना ही पेन यूज करेगा, ना ही बुक यूज करेगा और लेक्चर्स अटेंड कर रहे हैं. ऐसे भी है स्टूडेंट्स. And that is why they say online is not proper. Students, try to change yourself. Okay, let's go for section 2, students. For section 2, students, I wanted to solve right now question number 11. Okay. 14. 19th. Solve these questions 3. 11, 14th, and 19th. And now, students, I want all these 3 questions to be solved. And then one who raises the hand first will be given a chance. Come on, fast. Your time starts now. 11th, 14th, and 19th. All of them. I'll put down the question for 11th one. You have to differentiate y with respect to x. So 11th one is y is equal to, students, x upon 1 minus cos x. This is the question number 11th. Differentiate y with respect to x, students. 14th will be and 15th, I'm just writing it over here. If in case if you try to solve it, those who don't have the book, please 15th यहाँ पे लिखना, students. One by 4, 10 is to 4x. Try to solve it. of Ishita? All three?
No, sir, first.
Okay, first one. I want all three. Ishita, all three. Crack on all three fast.
Okay, sir.
Come on, Shreya. These only two girls who are responding. Shreya, Prisha, Sheena. Preet, Om, Ayan, come on, Mihir, don't let Ishita to go ahead. Don't let Shreya to go ahead. And Shreya and Ishita, come on, move ahead. Fast. See to it in your haste, you should not go wrong. Oh, Prisha is done with the first one. Come on, Prisha, second and third, next one. Two more. Many of them will stuck up over here. Mihir, have you reached to 15th?
Yes, sir. I'm solving 14.
Okay.
Sir, I did 15, but I don't know how to do. Like, I didn't understand 14.
You did not understand 14th?
Yeah, I didn't get the answer. I mean, I got
Why
something
like
else.
that? Why like that? That was more easy. Huh?
Silly mistakes, probably.
To match up with the answer, you have to just rearrange the terms. That's all. Okay, shall we discuss?
Yes, sir.
Okay, bolo. 11th one. So what exactly you use for 11th one? Yes, who's answering?
Sir, I use product rule.
11th one product rule.
Yes,
X
sir.
upon 1 minus cos x.
I mean, you can get, yeah, U upon V.
Okay, so that's quotient rule.
Like,
Okay.
yeah, sorry, question two, sorry.
Okay, so what is dy by dx? You kept v, isn't it? And differentiated x. Then
Yes.
plus or minus?
Then like minus,
Minus
like
what?
differentiated 1 minus cos x upon
Keeping x
dx.
constant, differentiating 1 minus
Yeah,
cos x. And
cos
divided
x
by what?
upon dx upon 1 minus cos x the whole square.
Okay, now solving it further, what exactly you got for this?
1 minus cos x multiplied by 1
Okay,
and क्या बोलता है x multiplied by minus sin x.
okay, so differentiating 1 will be 0. Agreed?
Yeah.
And then differentiating minus cos x will be minus and outside. Differentiating cos x will
Yes,
be
sir.
agreed. So will it be minus sin x or plus sin x?
Minus sin x.
हाँ, तो लेकिन माइनस इंटू माइनस विल बी प्लस ना. ये माइनस साइन मैंने बाहर
Yes.
निकाल दिया स्टूडेंट्स. ये माइनस इंटू माइनस, फिर डिफरेंशिएटिंग कॉस विल बी माइनस साइन. तो माइनस इंटू माइनस विल बी प्लस. द होल डिवाइडेड बाय 1 minus cos x the whole square. स्टूडेंट्स क्या ये क्लियर हुआ सबको? ये माइनस साइन का differentiating students 1 minus cos x by dx will be equal to differentiating 1 by dx. फिर मैंने माइनस साइन निकाल दिया बाहर. Differentiating cos x by dx. Because what is differentiating cos x? What is differentiating cos x, students?
Minus sin x
Minus sign. So minus into minus will be
plus.
plus. So this will be plus. Agreed? And then further you have it negative sign. So now in this case, what exactly? But this is simply be considered as multiplication because it's into. Students, यानी ये पूरा एक multiplication है. ये तुम्हारा पूरा एक multiplication है, students. Agreed? तो ये तुम्हारा simply it will be x into sin x हो जाएगा. Are you getting it?
Yes, sir.
Is this clear? Because this x is outside, students. The x is outside part of it. So now when I solve it for the students, how do I get it? Okay. So this is 1 minus cos x minus x. Agreed? This will be simply be considered as 0 minus of minus sin x, students. So minus into minus will be plus. So now my answer will be equal to what? 1 minus cos x minus into minus will be plus and plus into minus will be minus x sin x upon what? 1 minus cos x the whole square. Is this answer given, students?
Yes.
Okay. Please, is this clear to all of you all? Ishita, you have got the same answer, na Ishita?
Yes, sir.
Okay. क्या मैं इसको erase कर सकता हूँ? 11th one.
Yes, sir.
14th one, who's answering? 14th one, who's answering 14th one?
Sir, I'm almost done. Can you wait for like a minute?
Okay. Oh, Shreya got all answers. Shreya, come on, answer for the 14th one. Chalo. Okay. This was 19th. Okay, fine. But Shreya, give me the answer for 14th one.
Yes, sir. So for
Bolo.
question, I use the quotient rule for both the terms.
Yes. So y is equal to dy by dx will be equal to what?
X common differentiating sin x by dx minus sin x common differentiating x by dx.
Okay, minus sin x common differentiating dx by dx upon
X square
x square, and then the latter part plus.
plus sin x common differentiating x by dx minus x common differentiating sin x by dx.
Absolutely correct. Upon
And the whole
denominator.
divided by sin square x.
Very good. Sin x the whole square is sin square x. Now x as it is. What is differentiating sin x?
Cos x.
Cos x. Minus. This will get cancelled. This is sin x.
Yes, sir.
The whole upon x square
X square.
plus. This is sin square x. This will get cancelled. Sin x minus. What is differentiating sin x?
Cos x.
So x cos x. Okay, now
Now we'll take 1 upon x square multiplied by x cos x minus sin x.
no, what did it? What did it?
1 upon x square, we take it as common, the x cos x minus sin x.
Okay, fine. And if you see the numerator also, sure. You see the numerator will be common, है ना? तुम क्या करो? X cos x minus sin x
Minus sin x.
upon x square. यहाँ पे तुम minus and बाहर निकाल दो.
Yes,
इसका
so
minus
1 upon x square minus 1 upon sin square x in bracket.
Now can I remove this numerator outside? तो क्या होगा? X cos x minus sin x बाहर आ जाएगा तो ब्रैकेट में क्या होगा?
1 upon x square minus 1 upon sin square x.
Got it? So just try to check the numerator. ये x cos x minus sin x है. ये sin x minus है, यानी a minus b और ये b minus a है. वैसे सोचो ना, a minus b, b minus a. I want to make a minus b. तो मैंने क्या किया? Minus n बाहर निकाल दिया. देखो, plus into minus will give me minus, minus into minus will give me plus. And both the numerators are identical. सिर्फ only क्या? This is a minus b and this is b minus a. So I try to remove minus sign. फिर मैंने ये दोनों में ये numerator को बाहर निकाल दिया. तो अंदर क्या होगा? It's a common term. So 1 upon x square, and this is your answer. Is it clear, students?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Ishita, is it clear? You are not getting it.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now the 19th one. How many of you have got the 19th one? क्या मैं इसको erase कर सकता हूँ 14th one को, students? Can I erase the 14th one?
Yes.
Okay. 19th one, students. How many of you have got it? Raise your hand. I want to check out. And genuinely, if you know it, raise your hands. Is that clear? 19th one. Students, see the number of students who are 41 initially. And see now in last 15 minutes or last 20 minutes, whenever it leaves, see the strength, 28. Almost 11 students are out. Does it happen, students, all the time? Last 10-15 minutes, students go away? Is it?
Sometimes it happens. Like
Pardon?
other classes, it does happen. Like last 15 minutes, students start.
Students, they go away, na, last 10-15 minutes.
Yes.
This is Means the lectures wind up at that time, or that's why the students have a habit of going out.
Lectures end at given time.
Acha, the schedule means as per the schedule they end, no? But the students leave before that only, isn't it?
Yes, they leave early.
Why
Sir,
parents
it
are
happens in mostly every class. So
yeah, this is something that yes.
sir, how will parents attend class in the morning? Like,
Pardon?
I mean, you said like parents like sit down with their children. Like, is
Yeah,
it
they
even
should have a
possible?
they should have a tea and coffee along with your, अपना न्यूज़पेपर डार्ट पढ़ते हैं वहां पे तो कितना अच्छा लगता है हमें भी, है ना? और तुम्हारा हेडफोन्स वगैरह निकालना चाहिए और हमारा साउंड लाउड स्पीकर पे रखो. द एंटायर रूम शुड रोर, है ना? By the teachers of IIT and Hub. Okay, fine. Doesn't matter. But absolutely, we'll see one thing. When kids are sensible, parents don't have to look. But when kids are there who try to waste time in that case, because it's a genuinely, if I try to consider, if the books are being checked right now by the parents, कि बेटा ये 2 घंटे में तूने कितना लिखा है, अगर वो भी check कर लेना parents, you'll come to know about it what exactly is happening. Okay, come on, Mihir, you go ahead with this. Y is equal to 1 by 4, 10 raised to 4x. कैसे करोगे इसको? The last problem, students. Yes, Mihir, you
Yes,
raise
sir.
your hand for that, na? Bolo.
Sir, I have solved halfway, but I am not getting the same answer.
Why?
Sir, I don't know. I have solved. I think I am right, but like the answer key is not matching.
Okay. Ishita says तुझे आता है ओए, तुझे आता है. She's saying like that.
Sir, sorry.
This is something not good. Okay, fine. चलो बोलो. हाँ, बोलो मैं.
Sorry, sir, it was not for you.
Okay, doesn't matter.
Sir,
Differentiating by right. हाँ बोलो.
sir, we can take yes, 1 by differentiating 1 by 4 tan raised to 4x.
Okay, wait a minute. Mihir, can I write on this as 1 by 4 tan x the whole raised to 4?
Yes, sir.
Okay, अभी देख ये तेरे को hint मिलेगा. सोच कि ये tan पूरा x is a variable, is an entire variable. Let us
Yes.
take it. You take this as 1 by 4 x is to 4. Students, जब इसको प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व करना ना तो tan x is to 4 और tan x तो मैंने x ले लिया. Now students, अगर मैंने दे दिया students y is equal to 1 by 4 x is to 4, can you differentiate this?
Yes, sir.
तो क्या करोगे
4x
इसको
cube.
differentiate? तो तुम क्या करोगे
4x
1 by 4
cube.
को बाहर निकालोगे, differentiating x is to 4 by dx करोगे. Agreed?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So 1 by 4 will be outside words, differentiating x is to
4x
4.
cube. 4x.
4x
4x cube.
और पीछे क्या आएगा, dx by dx आता है कि नहीं आता?
Yes.
वो कैंसिल हो जाएगा तब भी जाके. Now can I go back to this? So
That
can I say
was-
So
differentiating?
4 और 4 नहीं cancel होगा?
होगा answer x cube. I'm not concerned with that. I'm concerned with this part of it. Okay. Now see, you can cancel that. Your answer is x cube. But now look over here. Differentiating tan x raised to the power of 4 by dx. 1 by 4. Now can you tell me what is differentiating tan x raised to the power of 4?
4 tan cube x.
4
6 square x to the
10
power
x
4.
to the whole cube.
Yes, sir.
यानी ये आया कि नहीं? फिर क्या होगा? Differentiate क्या होगा?
Yes. X will be out.
यानी differentiating tan x
Okay.
by dx. क्या ये clear हुआ?
Yes, sir. I was stuck on that part. I didn't
Yes, sir.
differentiating tan.
अब समझ आया.
Everybody concentrate over here. ये बहुत ही अच्छा question था और बहुत सारे students यहाँ पे अटकते भी हैं. So please, when you're trying to go for this, it's tan raised to 4x 1 by 4 tan x raised to the power of 4. तो मैंने 4 बाहर निकाल दिया, यहाँ पे 4 cancel हो गया. Tan x raised to 4 यानी 10 x cube आएगा. Differentiating again this part. So now if I
X
solve it, what will be? Yes, tan x the whole cube, students. What is differentiating tan x, students?
6 square.
Okay,
6 square x.
So what's your final answer, students?
Cube x. 6 square x.
Yes, tan cube x 6 square x. Is this clear to all of you all?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Shreya, is it clear now, Shreya, to you? Fine, students. So in the next lecture, we'll be continuing further as students. Okay. Now still yet to do in derivatives, the students. Abhi to word problems bhi karne baki hai. Okay, but please see to that, gain confidence, try to revise again, and try to go through it in that case. Again, whatever problems you have done, try to go through them itself. Okay. Next lecture will continue further ahead of problem solving on derivatives.
Thank
Then
you,
we'll
sir.
further move.
So when will we start integration?
Coming lectures में will be मेरे को कोई मालूम है मेरे को मैं तो I can finish it off this and straight away go for integration. लेकिन you should gain confidence, my dear. Next lecture में इसका होगा,
Yes, sir.
उसके बाद में graphical का होगा. Students, we go for local maxima and local minima part. Okay, and then we'll be going for integration. Okay.
Yes.
Chalo.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir.
Most welcome.